Hello students, our topic of lecture is data warehouse and data mining. First of all, I would like to share what is data warehouse, because today's innovative topic is data warehouse, and it is nothing but the conversion of data into information, which is really needed and required to analyze the business. Data warehouse is nothing but the subject oriented, time variant, integrated and non-volatile. Data warehouse, we are keeping the data in the data warehouse from the various operational sources. That data we bring from the various heterogeneous sources. That data may be time variant, that data may be current, that data may be ancient or historical data. So that data warehouse we are integrating with the operational sources, which is the data maybe from the industry, from the organization, from the institution, from the workstation and so on. Online data that we can collect and store in the data warehouse. Data warehouse is subject-wise data we are keeping. That data will be integrated, means we are connecting the data warehouse with the operational sources. Next is data warehouse is time variant. As I said, it is not the current data, it is past 5 to 10 years data and ancient data. Then last is it is a non-volatile, means the data which we are bringing, there will be no any transaction, no concurrency control, no backup. So that will be initial loading and final access only. So this is data warehouse. Data warehouse, one more, that is also known as the online analytical processing, that is OLAP. So this is data warehouse is nothing but your advanced database management system. Advanced database management system is also known as OLTP, that is online transaction processing, whereas this data warehouse is online analytical processing. So for keeping the data from the various operational sources, we need a large storage area. So we will see how large the data warehouse is. It will start from right from terabytes. So we required a terabytes, means 10 to the power 12, that is required to keep the data, for example keeping the data for Walmart. Next it comes under the petabyte, 10 to the power 15. We can keep the data of the geographical information system. Next is the exabyte, 10 to the power 18. We can keep the data of the national medical records. Next is the zettabyte, that 10 to the power 21. We can keep the data of the all geographical and intelligent video, and the petabyte, zettabyte, the 10 to the power, last is zottabyte, 10 to the power 24. We can keep all the record and data of the intelligent video system, video recording of all intelligent system. And this is required. The warehouse is useful for the decision making purposes, where the knowledgeable person can analysis on data and they can take the decision to optimize the business. Initially we were having the this OLTP DBMS, that is only used to run the applications, but data warehouse or DSS, that is decision support system, is used to analyze the business. Next is here we are integrating data, but in the DBMS we are just taking the only current updates are there, and we need a knowledgeable persons to work on this data warehouse. We don't require any clerical staff, because they have to take the decision based on the data what is required to optimize the business. And apart from that, we have the different OLAP operations, that is online analytical processing operation, that is a drill down, drilled up, revote and rotate and pivot. So that means we can take the detailed data, we can analyze on that, we can see the summarization of data, we can work on that, and after that we can easily see the past 5 to 10 years record. Suppose we want to work on that, that is also POSIS, that is not on the pivoted, and that we can easily get the data of any current data, past to 5 to 10 years data or historical data. On the basis of that we can take the right decision and we can optimize the business. Thank you very much.